Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Today's video is the 5th in a series where I am taking 5 different advent calendars and I'm opening them up. I'm opening them up in advance so I can edit, and also because I'm donating all of the contents to a nonprofit, and I'll put information in the description box down below about that. And I'm going to start with the OPI, the Nutcracker calendar. And this color is Charged Up Cherry. Looks like a fairly straightforward kind of fuchsia pink to me. Magenta-y. Pretty. I don't know that I'd call it cherry though. Next is from the NYX calendar. This is an intense butter gloss in Sweet Nothing. Next is from the Body Shop calendar. Oh, and this is nice. This is a Berry Bon Bon hand cream. This is 30 mils, 1 fluid ounce. Nice. Next is from Feel Unique. Feels like a pencil. And BBB London Ultra Slim Brow Definer. I'm not going to swatch it or anything, but the color is Indian Chocolate. So I'm assuming that it's a brown, probably a warm brown. And last but not least is Space NK. Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel 2-minute Skin Fix. I've seen these before. They come in like a twin pack for the exfoliating and smoothing and then the neutralizer. So this is nice. It's a nice little kind of pack that someone can take with them. So, thank you so much for watching. A lot to do in the world, a lot to do on YouTube, and it means a lot that you took some time to spend with me today. Take care, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye.